things they solve for this country. Just watch this.
It's safe to say congratulations to Osun people, the Osun people, and Nigeria generally, who campaigned vigorously, stood with tirelessly, and did everything they can within their reach, and even sometimes inconvenienced themselves just to ensure that democracy stood or was given another chance in Osun State. Unfortunately, some states do not have these same testimonies, but it's good to see it happen in Osun. I have my indifference with a whole lot of things, and I may say something in this video people may find very uncomforting or insensitive, but bear with me because it is important to say this. I want us to keep our eyes on the goal, and the goal is to end the reign of the APC. If you look through this whole process of the election in Osun State, you can tell that the APC do not go into elections giving others a fighting chance. They do not act like a competitor in an election. They go into elections telling you they will defeat you with everything within their means and even outside. Sometimes extra institutional, extra democratic, and extra societal. And they go to every election looking like you don't have a fighting chance. And for me, it is not good for democracy. Everybody should stand a chance to compete favorably, have a voice. The people, as much as important, because that is the hallmark of democracy. It is a government that is anchored on the people. And that's why I say government of the people, for the people and by the people. When democracy is now a system of only a few deciding what happens to the larger majority, that itself is a problem and it is not sustainable. So for me, I am not a particular fan of Ademola Adeleke, and I didn't campaign for him. I felt the pulse of the Osun people, and it seems like they wanted to have their government renewed for another 4 years. But the APC, with all of their antics, came to demand that the Osun people's will not be heard. And that's why they brought in all the governors and everywhere, blah, 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 blah. But does Ademola Adeleke deserve to be re-elected by his people? Yes. Is this somebody we should not begin to celebrate because he won an election not being in the APC? No. A few persons who have even declared for the APC may even be better off. And I say that, like I said, it may offend you. Ademola Adeleke actually wanted to join the APC. He was refused by Gbenga Odiyetola, who felt he should not have a second term because he didn't have a second term. And ever since we saw all of the he
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Now for the record, Muna go Sowore now. Muna they advise this man. What did they do so good? This is what you do now good. Before I come back to you, first of all, I want to say a very big congratulations to Governor Adeleke. You don't understand? I am not partisan, but I just want to say congratulations. You don't understand? Now why you say I not talk anything about the election till you win? Because I'm not partisan. You don't understand? That's number one. Then number two, three bossa for Osun State people. Bossa. Una try. You don't understand? If every other state fit beat like this, they fit do like this for the time of 2027 election. John say, some people go cry tire for this media. You don't understand? I just pray, say, you see the way Osun State youth active. So I pray, say, make 2027, make everybody active like this. You don't understand? You see the way they math. I make nothing misbehave. Now this will go math for 2027. No worry. We get time. You don't understand? Back to Sowore. When I talk to this man, oh, you dey fuck up, oh. What? You dey forget say you be old man, Epa. You dey forget say you be old. You don't old, though. You know the less promotion they sit down, the video don't go block you. So you don't really respect yourself. Not everything they go put smart. And even if you want put smart, what should be you cannot endure a failure. Now you want to talk this thing. Why you not talk as since? Why you not say it since? Why now? Why be saying now when you be like say the election here and everybody but be hot? I don't know why you be like say everybody they go left, you go right. When I talk to this man now, you don't know say you be a pa. You be a part of what you're supposed to do. They set camera for you. We're supposed to look up to you. Not be to the set camera. They tell you say what you do no good. You be a power. Nobody matter who cost the premier. All those who say they load themselves go there. Say na APC member they be. Why don't they do like this? Now this we want to make the country better. And most of now because they gain from the present government now. Now feel say Nigeria not go feel still put to you tomorrow. Because now say you they gain. Because you they gain for the present government now. You feel say you don't finish. No worry, oh. No worry. I say Nigeria go up to everybody one by one. Now your time, you don't understand. And back to Governor Adeleke. Please. You see, say your people there for you. Your people love you. If you get any project you never complete, I bet try complete. I may be like say yes. These people they don't waste their time.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.
You know that APC is shameless government.
they can't change. You can see their desperation. And with their desperation, they are still losing. Look at this today. APC government now use police armored tank that's supposed to be protecting you and I. That's supposed to be protecting Osun people. They are now using those vehicles to snatch ballot boxes. Watch this one. Kai, you see how APC don't destroy our country. That is how low they are now. You can see the desperation. And you can see that people are resilient. People are truly tired of APC. And they will go. So you always think they will rig this election. Look at what Osun people are doing now. Osun people are not Ekiti. They are not weak. They are strong. They are standing their ground. That no, this is who we want. Even with EFCC intimidation, despite that, despite carrying ballots, despite abusing them, with EFCC doing his own by the side, and they're still getting this number. That means people are truly tired of APC. APC, their end has come. And we must reject them. They are rejecting Tinubu now in Osun. And you know how Osun is to Tinubu, and Osun is in southwest, and Tinubu is from southwest. Now imagine the rejection all over the world, not even Nigeria alone, even outside Nigeria. Outside Nigeria, Nigerians outside are hungry. They are sad. How can you hijack a nation? You had Lagos for 27 years. Up till today, Lagos is still.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findthemnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Then I'll tell you some go where they do sand. Where sand day? If we roll on sand for some reason, I don't know how that thing was working then. Anyways, for some reason sand will just come. But then again, dice for some reason they're very, very spiritual. Dice, you see dice. Rolling of dice is spiritual. For some reason, if you are rolling dice and you say it in your mind that 2 6 6 5, it will come like that. It comes like that. You go to check, boom, 2 6 or roll on for ground. It will come like that. But if you fear for your mind, say you no go enter, you no go enter. You understand? You no go enter. So boom, we play that. Now, this part is very, very crazy. But I'm going to save it for my movie because I plan to do a movie of myself very soon, a real life story. And there's a real life story that I want to share, but I want to share it on a movie so that people can really understand, right? So that you can understand. I want to do a movie of some of the things I've seen in my life, you know. So we're playing that a lot. We go run, we go play football. The kind of football gambling we play, we play one-on-one. Like football, full football. You versus me, no ref. You can blow somebody in the eyes. Your own is that you should score. But you cannot be very malicious with it. Nobody say you go intentionally just go to punch person. But you get off where you go do everything, nobody go send. Because na power game. You understand? I do Merua, I sell water. Then 2009, then if you know Abuja, where PDP Secretariat today, Wadata Plaza, where Wadata Plaza is in Abuja, if you know Abuja very well, there's Wadata Plaza there, then there's Sky Memorial, right? So behind Sky Memorial, you have Savannah Bank, former Savannah Bank. Opposite the Savannah Bank was where I was selling Indomie and eggs in Wuses on 5. Opposite the Savannah Bank, and we had a small shop of selling Indomie and egg for the people, those civil defense people, because civil defense office was there. Some people from PDP secretariats come and buy. The people from Sky Memorial Plaza will come and buy, you know. Basically, I stayed there. I did that for years. You understand? When they gave me the job, they said, yeah, you know the place is around Beggar. When they gave me the job then, you know, they said they were going to be paying me 15,000 naira. Bro, that money was so big in my ear. Last at 2009. Like 15K. 15K na big money. So I started the job. My brother.
Download Find Them now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area. go to findamnow.com and search for it.